You can tell it's two different shades of green. So we'll get Duplicolor, go back over this just to make it. Hi, welcome back. It's not kind of early, but it's already hot out here, so probably gonna keep on the short side tonight. But I want to finish this section out here, and I think I may start grinding the tub, the back portion, and the sides. I'm gonna put that stripping gel on the top. I was gonna put it on the side so it don't run down onto the new paint that we put down. I'm gonna try to get the back and side of the tub and this little square done, and then next time do the same to this. And I'm gonna take a look at the front fender, inner fender. I'm gonna put some stripping gel on the thing that spray a bunch of well-through primer on it. Put it on that, strip that off. Might do some grinding on the spot welds that we did. That way we can get that kind of cleaned down and we can put some of the Rust-Oleum on it, because I don't mind it being a different color underneath. Color difference on this side is really bugging me, so I'm probably gonna get some Duplicolor and go back over that. But and if under fenders and such, I'll probably just go with self-etching primer, and then some, I like to do like a loser skin or something, but that's way far in the future. So I might just either leave it in the self-etching primer or put a little bit of matte black paint in there or something. That's gonna be kind of the same stuff for a while. Let's head over there and I'll kind of get a closer look. First thing, we're gonna address this area here, get that ground down, and then probably gonna come back here and start grinding this up with the wire wheel and this side here so far up, and then we'll put the stripping gel on top here, kind of thick. May even hit this right here with the wheel too while I'm at it. It's pretty straight. Get that all cleaned up. But we'll need to get in here too with it and try our best to get all that rust out. Like I said, we may go ahead and put some of that stripping gel on this. I don't have enough to do the whole fender, but maybe just this top portion. I really want to get it all looking like in that color. And my other idea was to come back over here, start knocking these welds down, getting them flush. We already got these flush. This is still pretty good. And that way we can come through here with the self-etching primer and prime this. So we got some rust coming through, but probably just go half the circle. Put some stripper on this, pretty thick. Take that out, and then we'll paint this later. Sorry about that. For tonight, mainly that, the tub, maybe throwing some stripper on something. Again, thank you for sticking out with me through this. I know this isn't really exciting or informative stuff, but it's stuff I need to get done. And like I said, I'm going to take you on everything I do to it, so this is just a continuation. Hopefully get this done and get this started. If we make good progress here, we may just go ahead and take it up and take that whole section up there. Anyways, let's get over there and get at it. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. We got this started. We're gonna take it and run with it that way. And we got that little piece done. So we're almost done with the floor. Got some stripping gel. Pretty good. Not so good on the side here, but it's already starting to bubble up a little bit. I don't think this is gonna do too much. May have to put another coat on it. Until that's already starting to come up. And that is too a little bit. I thought I might as well go ahead and put some on this. Hopefully this will come up too. But we're gonna sand this down and grind these wells down, clean it all off, and paint it to about half the circle down. So we still gotta mount our door pillars and the back pillar. I don't want it to get too hot and burn it. So we'll at least have half this painted and this all painted up here. And like I said before, you can tell it's two different shades of green. So we'll get Duplicolor, go back over this just to make it this kind of green. And won't worry about the inside too much, like I said. We can paint that with the Rust-Oleum, that'll be fine. Just probably paint it with that and then come back over with some matte black or something. Just trying to cover stuff. Kind of anxious to see how the stripping gel does in those grooves. That's my main reason for putting it on so thick, is maybe getting that pretty good. Slowly but surely getting there, I hope. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. So we're getting stuff sanded down and some goop on it. So next time we'll come in and clean all this off where we put it. May have to put some more on this bed rail here. If this cleans off pretty easy on the front, sand whatever didn't come off, then we'll spray or grind those wells down and spray that Rust-Oleum on that section. So that would be ready. And then we'll come back in here, clean all the stripping gel off the inner fenders, tubs, continue sanding the paint down on the tubs, both of them, and I may try to get up here with the wire wheel, a little section across the top. If we get that section across the top done, then I'll go ahead and paint the rest of the bed. Doesn't look like it, but it's all black, kind of dirty now. Yeah, same old stuff. We'll get through all this paint eventually. Like I said, we're still waiting on a door pillar. Anyways, thanks for watching me this far. It does help the channel out a lot. If you're new to the channel, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Usually something with the Bronco. If you want to continue on this journey with me, we're going to try to do everything on it in-house. We'll do that. We got some holes to fix. I may look at that next time too, see about how to go about making those angled pieces without making it look too terrible. Anyways, thank you again if you made it this far. Please like, comment, subscribe. It does help the channel out. And I'll say next time we'll jump back into it. May have an idea how to fix that hole, so we'll go over that. Keep sanding, and hopefully we do a little bit of painting up there and maybe on this top rail if it's comes off easy enough. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.